An air emissions inventory template is a tool used to record, monitor, and analyze the types and quantities of pollutants released into the atmosphere from various sources within a facility or site. It helps organizations stay compliant with environmental regulations, track emission trends, and identify areas where controls or improvements are needed. This template is especially useful for environmental officers, SHEQ practitioners, plant supervisors, and anyone involved in sustainability reporting or compliance monitoring. By keeping accurate records, businesses can make informed decisions, improve air quality management, and reduce their environmental impact. So, let's start exploring how to use this template effectively. The reporting date status bar chart at the center of the template provides a quick visual summary of the status of emission reports based on the due date. It helps users track how timely their reporting activities are. The chart is divided into 4 categories. The green bar represents reports that are still on time, showing compliance is currently being maintained. The yellow bar indicates reports that are due soon, serving as an early reminder to act. The red bar highlights overdue reports that need urgent attention to avoid non-compliance. And the gray bar shows tracking time lapsed, giving insight into reporting delays or inefficiencies. This chart is beneficial for ensuring timely submissions, identifying problem areas, and improving overall environmental data management. The pie chart titled Emission Source Types provides a clear visual breakdown of the different sources contributing to overall air emissions. It helps identify where emissions are coming from, making it easier to focus control efforts. The chart includes 3 categories. Stationary, green, represents fixed sources like generators or boilers. Mobile, pink, covers emissions from vehicles or moving equipment. And fugitive, yellow, accounts for leaks or uncontrolled releases from valves, pipes, or tanks. Using this chart is beneficial for quickly assessing which source type contributes most to emissions, helping in data-driven decision-making and prioritizing environmental management strategies. The cell showing a total of 6 records provides a quick summary of all entries captured. Recording every emission event is crucial for accurate reporting, trend analysis, compliance monitoring, and improving environmental performance over time. The current date cell helps users track reporting timelines, ensuring data entries are recent, timely, and aligned with compliance requirements. Using a date range to search in a template is important because it helps filter and review specific records within a defined time frame. This makes tracking trends, identifying issues, or generating reports much easier and more accurate. Below the current date, there's a mini table designed for searching items using date ranges. To perform a search, you simply select the start date and the end date. Once any changes are made to these dates, the value in the merged cell below will automatically update based on the filtered data, allowing for quicker access to relevant information. Let's navigate to the report worksheet. This section is designed as a simple form where you can view and interact with one emissions inventory record at a time. It allows you to enter or select an emissions ID, which will automatically retrieve all the related data for that specific record from the main data table in the next worksheet. This form works using a combination of the VLOOKUP and IF functions to pull accurate data for a single row, making it easier to analyze or edit one record without scanning through the full table. Capturing data this way ensures better accuracy, simplifies updates, and allows users to focus on one inventory entry at a time. It's ideal for reviewing or verifying specific emission sources quickly. For a full understanding of how these formulas work, please watch my tutorial on Excel formulas and functions. To use this form, all you have to do is change the emissions ID in the designated cell. Once you enter a valid ID, all the functions in the form will automatically update and display the corresponding data for that record. It's important to make sure that the ID you enter exists in the main data table in the next worksheet. If the ID is not found, the fields will return blank or error values. This setup ensures you're always working with accurate and traceable information linked directly to the data source. I will now put the video on fast forward as I demonstrate how each of these buttons works, just to save time while still showing the full functionality in action. The search button is a powerful feature designed to help users quickly locate specific information within large data tables. Instead of manually scrolling through hundreds of rows, you simply enter a keyword, ID, or value into the designated search cell and click the search button. Excel will then highlight or bring focus to the matching record instantly. This not only saves time but also reduces the chances of data entry errors by ensuring you're referencing the correct record. It's especially useful in employee tracking, complaint logs, or health screening forms where quick access to accurate data is crucial for analysis. The Add New Row button is a real-time saver, especially when the table contains many rows. Instead of manually scrolling to the bottom to insert a new row, this button instantly adds a fresh row in the correct position. It streamlines data capturing, reduces errors, and helps keep your workflow smooth and efficient. The Delete Row button is very useful when managing large tables with many rows. Instead of scrolling through numerous entries to find and remove a specific row, this button quickly deletes the selected row instantly. It helps maintain clean, accurate data by removing unwanted records efficiently, saving time and minimizing mistakes during data capturing processes. The Save as PDF button lets you highlight a specific range within your large table and save only that selected data as a PDF file. This feature is very useful for capturing and sharing particular sections of your data without including the entire table, helping keep your reports clear, focused, and well organized while leaving other rows unaffected. The Save as Word button on the report worksheet automatically saves a fixed range from A1 to I50 as a Word document. You don't need to select any range, making it quick and easy to export the entire report layout for a specific record. This ensures consistent formatting and saves time when sharing standardized reports without extra steps. The Save as PDF button on the report worksheet is designed to export a fixed range from A1 to I50 as a PDF file. You don't need to manually select anything, just click the button and your report will be saved instantly with the correct layout. This simplifies the process, especially when you need to generate uniform reports quickly and professionally for documentation or sharing purposes. Thank you so much for watching this overview tutorial. I hope you now understand how to effectively use this template to track and manage emissions efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Don't forget to also check out my other videos where I cover more Excel templates and automation tools designed to boost your productivity.